Purchasing the Samsung Galaxy A15 right now is a fantastic decision for anyone seeking a feature-rich smartphone at an incredibly competitive price point. This device strikes an ideal balance between affordability and performance, making it a standout choice in the budget smartphone market. The Galaxy A15 features a stunning 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, a rare find at this price range, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and an immersive viewing experience perfect for streaming videos, gaming, or simply browsing social media. Powered by a reliable MediaTek chipset, the phone handles everyday tasks and moderate multitasking with ease, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. This device is particularly appealing to photography enthusiasts as it boasts an impressive 50MP main camera capable of capturing high-resolution, detailed photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Complemented by additional lenses, it offers versatility for wide-angle shots, macro photography, and more, ensuring you have the right tools for any photographic scenario. Battery life is another highlight, with a massive 5,000 mAh battery ensuring all-day usage without the need to constantly reach for a charger, making it perfect for users with busy lifestyles or frequent travelers. Samsung's software support further enhances the value of this device. Launching with Android 14, it is promised 4 major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, a level of support often reserved for flagship devices. This ensures that the Galaxy A15 will remain secure and up-to-date with new features, giving users peace of mind and extending the device's longevity. Financially, the Galaxy A15 is an absolute steal. Originally priced at around £170, it has seen significant price drops in recent months, with some deals bringing it down to approximately £95, making it one of the most cost-effective smartphones available today. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone simply looking for a dependable second device, this phone delivers exceptional value. With its combination of premium features, long-term software support, robust performance, and unbeatable price, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is a perfect example of how cutting-edge technology is becoming increasingly accessible to all. If you're in the market for a new phone, now is the perfect time to invest in this gem of a device.